Part 26, exercise 1.2, question number 7. Find a plus b divided by a minus b if subdivision 1 a equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 2 by 3. Subdivision 2 a equal to minus 3 by 5, b equal to 2 by 15. So what is the problem given here? A value is given, b value is given. Using that we have to find a plus b divided by a minus b. So first we took the subdivision 1, a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to 2 by 3. So here a and b are having the different denominator, that is 2 and 3. We have to make the denominator equal. So for that we have to find the LCM for the denominator 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So first we took the rational number a, that is 1 by 2, which is equal to. So here the denominator is 2. We have to make the denominator equivalent to 6. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So 1 into 3 equal to 3 and 2 into 3 equal to 6. Next we took the value for b. So b value is 2 by 3. Here the denominator is 3. So up and down we have to multiply by 2, that is 2 into 2 which is equal to 4 and 3 into 2 equal to 4 by 6. Now a value will become 3 by 6 and b value will become 4 by 6. Next we are going to find the value for a plus b. So which is equal to 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So if the denominators are equivalent, then we can add the numerator, that is 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 by 6. Next we have to find the a minus b. So which is equal to 3 by 6 minus 4 by 6. Here also denominator is same. So we can subtract the numerator. Whenever I subtract 3 minus 4, the answer is minus 1. Because the biggest number is 4. The biggest number have the negative sign. So we have to write it as minus 1 by 6. So next we have to find the value for a plus b divided by a minus b. So if the two numbers are rational numbers, if I want to divide the two rational numbers, I have to replace the division operator into multiplication, and the second rational number can be written as the reciprocal of the given number. Okay, so first we have to write the a plus b value. So a plus b value is 7 by 6. Next we have to convert the division operator into multiplication operator. So instead of division we have to write it as multiplication. Then a minus b value is minus 1 by 6. We have to write it as a reciprocal of this number. The reciprocal of minus 1 by 6 is 6 by minus 1. Here 6 and 6 are cancelled. And 7 divided by minus 1, which is equal to minus 7. So therefore the answer is minus 7. Next one is subdivision 2, a equal to minus 3 by 5, b equal to 2 by 15. So a and b value are given. We have to find the a plus b divided by a minus b. So first we have to check whether the denominator of a and b are equal. So here the denominators are not equal. So that we have to find the LCM for 5 and 15. So the 5 and 15 are having the common factor as 5. So 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Now we have to find the factor for 3. The factor for 3 is 3 itself. So 1 3s are 3. So the LCM for 5 and 15 is 5 into 3 is 15. So the LCM is 15. So first we have to take the a value, that is minus 3 by 5. We have to convert the denominator 5 equivalent to 15. So up and down you have to multiply by 3. So minus 3 into 3 equal to minus 9 and 5 into 3 equal to 15. So the equivalent factor for minus 3 by 5 is minus 9 by 15. And the second b value is 2 by 15. Here the denominator is 15 itself. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1. So that is 2 into 1 equal to 2. 15 into 1 equal to 15. So now A value will become minus 9 by 15 and B value is 2 by 15. First we have to find the A plus B values. That is minus 9 by 15 plus 2 by 15. So here the denominators are equal. So we can add the numerator. So here the numerators are having the two different signs, that is negative and positive. So we have to subtract. Minus 9 plus 2 equal to minus 7. So A plus B equal to minus 7 by 15. Next we have to find the value for A minus B. So A value is at minus 9 by 15 minus B value is at 2 by 15. So here the denominators are equivalent. So we have to subtract the numerator. So here the numerator are having the same sign, that is the negative sign. That means you have to add and put the negative sign. So 9 plus 2 is 11 and sign is a negative sign. So we have to write it as negative sign. So the answer is minus 11 by 15. Now we can divide A plus B divided by A minus B. So if I want to divide two rational numbers, the division operator is converted into multiplication operator and the second rational number can be written as a reciprocal of the given rational numbers. So A plus B value is minus 7 by 15. Division operator is converted into multiplication operator and then the second rational number is minus 11 by 15. The reciprocal is 15 divided by minus 11. So 15 and 15 are cancelled. Negative sign and negative sign are cancelled. So the answer is 7 by 11.